Hey, all right, so this is a highly requested video, like mad requested, like mad motherfuckers in my DMs. And by the way, don't think I don't see the motherfuckers in my comments, okay? Talking about some, how we know it work if ain't nobody come back to the section, to the comment section. Cause they're busy in my DMs telling me that they love me and they thank me. Yeah, and I'm serious. I'm not lying. Like, I wouldn't lie about that. Like, that's one thing Christina ain't gonna do for views now. She ain't gonna lie, man. But anyway, all right, so. Now, these are the basics for your first time hooking up. Well, it doesn't matter if it's your first time with them. It don't really, like, matter. But this is like if you want to make an impression on a nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to slut him out real bad. Like, after this one time, like, this, I don't mean, like, the first time. Like, you never done it before. That's not what I mean. I mean, like, you feel me? Like, to get him crazy over you. To get him missing you. Texting you. So, these are this is what I do on the first link. The must-haves on the first link. Now, first of all, before you even go, ask him the last time he's been tested, please. And if he lies, you can sue him. Like, it's really that simple. Like, and you get something. You feel me? Like, make sure these men are clean. Okay? Even with a condom. Did you know you could get throat chlamydia? Did you know that? Me neither, until I was dating this guy and he told me he got it. And like, not currently. Like, in the past, he told me he had it. And I was like, you could have... No, it was throat gonorrhea. That's what it was. And I was just like, yo, that's a thing? Like, you really could get the gon in the throat? Like, the throat gon. That's what I'm going to start calling him. Nah. I'm joking. That's not even funny. Hopefully he don't watch this. I'm joking. Shut up. Anyway, so, number 1, make sure he's tested. Number 2, you gotta speak freaky, girl. That's what I do. Like, I be hyping myself up, but only because I know I'm finna follow through with what I'm saying. What you gotta do, what you gonna do, because that's why you on here. Yeah, baby, that's what you gotta do sometimes. You gotta do what you need to do. All right. Yeah, doo-doo. All right, okay, so then after you talk your shit, stuff like that, you're gonna meet up with him in person, right? Okay, so then when you're talking, right, don't fucking respond every 5 seconds. Stop fucking doing that shit. You not busy enough. That's what that means. Go do something else. I'm dead ass. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. That's why I got stalkers. Because absence makes the heart grow fonder. Kidding. Kind of. All right, next. Right, so when you go, first of all, you know you gotta look mad fucking good. And you gotta smell good. Yeah, so what I do is I take a shower, I do my whole routine. That's what I call it, my whole routine. And, sorry, no shame, like, at all. Neither I shame you, neither, baby. Come to the whole side. But nah. So, like, I do my whole bath and everything. Like, I shave, like, do everything, right? And then I get out, I put lotion on my body. Put lotion on your body when you get out the motherfucking shower, okay? Because that make your skin soft and voluptuous and he gonna want to rub on you. That's what that is. All right, so you got to make sure you're moisturizing your skin. Glistening, baby. Your skin got to be glistening, right? And then you got to put your body spray over your lotion. That makes it last longer. Put the body spray on your lotion, get dressed, look cute, do your hair, brush your fucking teeth, gargle and floss. Anyway, after you do that, then, you want to put your clothes on, look all cute, and then you're going to put your perfume on. Not your body spray. The body spray is for when you come out the shower, you put that on top of your lotion. You got to put your perfume on when you get out the fucking shower. When you get dressed and everything. Spray your car, too, so you sitting in the fumes. So, right before I go, I put the lip gloss, make sure I look good right before I got the car. Now, when you got the car and you step in, you know what's about to happen. You know you ain't finna look cute. After you leave there, you gonna look like a homeless hoe. That's what it is. But you gonna be a homeless hoe who just got her guts ripped inside. All right, now, but back to the details. Okay, so now you are going to get lit, drunk, high, whatever you gotta do, okay? You gotta get lit. I'm always late on Sneaky Link. There's never one Sneaky Link I'm sober. Ever. Because give me time. Let me out, okay, no, but seriously, like, why are you sniffing my knee? Why are you sniffing my knee? I'm doing stuff. She's still doing it, like, my cat, she don't care. Anyway, so, you're gonna get lit, right? So now when you go there, right, you're gonna give him the eyes. The eyes. You know what the eyes is. I already taught you this. Triangle. One eye, lips, other eye, back at his lips. And just stare and lick your lips and bite your lips while you're staring at his. You're going to be like, oh, this bitch nasty. Oh, she want to devour me. Yes, the fuck I do. Like, that's what you got to do, baby. That's what you got to do. Yeah, and is. So then, so after the looks, like, you know the looks come, right? Do not let him make the first move. Do not. I know this sounds fucking insane. You're just like, fuck you, me, he the man. He's supposed to make the first. No, he's not. He could. He can. But no, he's not. Not for this. No. No. Okay, so what you gotta do is, right? Yo, y'all wanna hear the look? Oh, let me tell y'all about a whole story. And this has to do with what I'm saying right now, yo. So this is guy, right? My type, Spanish and tatted, long hair. That's my type, guys. I mean, all races are beautiful. I've dated white men. I've dated black men. I've fucked white men, black men. I fucked Asian men. I fucked an Indian guy twice. So, like, Mexican. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, love is love, okay? Anyway, so, he was sitting there, right? And he was from New York. New York niggas are my favorite. I feel like they're the only men that can handle my attitude, my temper, my roughness. They just know how to give it to me. Anyway, so, not all, though, because some New York niggas are soft. Anyway, so he was just sitting there, right? And he was like, right? And he was just sitting there and just looking all sexy, right? He had the Casamigos in his hand, right? And I was just sitting there and I was just giving him a look. And there was a table in between us, right? We were in a hotel room. I was giving him a look and he felt my eyes looking at him. Like, that's how strong your look gotta be. They gotta feel you looking at them. So they get like nervous to look at you and be like, oh shit, she grilling my ass. She gonna eat me. Yes, I am eating the dick. Anyway, so he was just looking so good, right? And like, we already went one round. So I already knew what that dick was about. So it was good, okay? So then he just sitting there like, you know when niggas be sitting there, leaning back, legs all open, they got their drink in their hand, their veins all popping out their hands. Attention to detail. That's how you turn yourself on, by the way. That's what I do. Like, I would look at him and I would just admire every single thing about him that I find fucking sexy, and immediately I'm wet. Look at that. He don't gotta do nothing. And that's what makes you, like, attack. Like, go into attack mode. Because you just been sitting here thinking about all nasty things you want to do to that man. Anyway, so then, I kid you not, I got off my seat, sat on him. Like, you know, he was like this. I sat like that. You already know, right? And then I started, like, kissing him, right? And I was pulling his hair, right? That's the thing. I love pulling hair. I'm aggressive as fuck. Like, it's okay to be that way. They're men. They can fucking handle it. It's really that simple. Oh my God. So I pulled his hair, right? I was like kissing him, and like I pulled their hair like in the opposite direction of like I'm kissing. Like, I can't explain it. Oh, I'm nasty. Anyway, so I was kissing him, right? And then like I would take his hair and then I'll pull it to the one side, and then like I'll bite his neck, and then I'll like take his hair and I'll pull it to the other side, and I'll bite the other side. Y'all be nasty. Treat him like your bitch, because that's what he is. Anyway, so then, you know, I was just giving it to him, right? And so he had a cup in his hand, the cup of liquor, and then he had one hand on me. And I was mad because he had the cup in his fucking hand. Why are you not touching me with both hands? So I was like, I knocked the liquor like right out of his fucking hand, and like I started like choking him, and because I low-key got mad because why aren't you touching me? He was like, oh shit, my liquor. I'm like, nigga, I'm good. I got you. I bought you a bottle. Get your ass here. You can't. He got hard as fuck after that. Ladies, all in all, take the fucking initiative. Make the first move. Hop on him like you're a bunny in heat. Like, I swear to God, it's okay. They love that shit. Like, yo, I hype them up. I give them so many compliments. I make them feel like the sexiest nigga ever. And then after, I leave and never talk to him again, which is, I'm working on being better when it comes to that. I am better when it comes to that. Actually, y'all don't know my life right now, though. I don't tell y'all the actual shit that be going on currently. I talk about past shit. And then after I get over my current shit, then I'll tell you about my current shit, because now it's past shit. Like, but anyway, so, like, you have to be in attack mode. Like, the first thing you do before I even have sex with a guy, first thing I do is suck his dick. That's the must. That's the first thing I gotta do. I gotta do that. Because, like, I told y'all, I just like it. But they're not used to that. That doesn't happen. That's not the first thing. Well, that's like the last thing a woman does. And only if she's asked. Some women, some women do it obviously because they like it. But, like, I don't give a fuck. That's the first thing I'm going to do is gawk his shit down because nut in my mouth. Yeah. And then I'll like, I told you what I just did. Like, I'll get lit. I'll mark my prey. I hop on the prey. I attack. I get into the bed. Gawk, 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 gawk. And then I hop right on it and I start writing it. I don't even give him a chance to go on top. No. You go on top when I feel like letting you own me. Then I'll let you on top. But for now, I own you. So I'm on top of you. Yeah. But like when you're also in his presence, learn how to have a good conversation. Listen to him when he speaks. Eye contact. Even if you guys are having a regular conversation, eye contact, and give him the look that you get. You know how many times a nigga has been talking to me and I give him the look that I give him and he stutters, stops talking, blushes, starts whatever the fuck. It's confidence, yo. It's confidence. They can feel your confidence by how you even look at them. Like, you gotta look at them and know that you could own that shit whenever the fuck you want to. Like, if I want to right now, that dick could be mine type shit. And have fun. Slut him out. Slut him out, boo. Have fun. Tie him up if he'll let you. The amount of times I've tied up niggas. Oh, man. And not just arms. Arms and legs. It's so much fun. Try it. Like, if you want to do something new with your nigga, ask him if you could tie him up. I'm dead ass. Ask him if you could tie him up. I guarantee. Excuse me. Tastes like oranges. I have fruit for breakfast. But I guarantee he's going to be like, yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. And, you got to tell him to talk, like, to address you a certain way. Ma'am, master, whatever the fuck. I make them say my name. That's my safe word. Like, so like after he nuts and you keep sucking, right? If he wants you to stop that bad, there's a safe word. You're only going to stop if he says the safe word. You know what the safe word is? Your name. Yeah. The sexiest thing is trying to hear them say your name fully. And the way they say your name, they huffing and moaning and like trying to... I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I love y'all. Y'all been going crazy on this fucking channel. On my Instagram, I fucking love every single one of you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. If there's anything that you want, like anything, any advice or anything, drop it in the comments below. I read all the comments, okay? I love you so much, and have a good day, my baby.